Well, as you know, after purchasing any seat from the Tav Event Ticketing plugin, an email like this is sent to your customers. Now, for this email to be sent, all you need is to have your email set up correctly. What's the deal with email configuration? I always use the SMTP plugin for email configuration. This plugin is the most accessible and best plugin you can use. If you search for its name, WP Mail SMTP, in the WordPress repository, you can easily find it, download it, and activate it. After you activate it, go to the settings section. In the settings section, there are a series of configurations that are usually correct, if you follow along with this video. But if something is wrong, meaning you've set up these configurations and the email isn't sent after purchasing a ticket, you can ask your hosting provider what the issue is. You can ask the server, the hosting provider that's giving you service, what the problem is, saying, I've set up these configurations, what's wrong? They can guide you better, because each hosting provider, each server, has its own set of configurations. But generally, these are the settings. Look, in the first step, it asks, from where should the email be sent? It should be sent from the domain that we have. And you definitely need to create this email in cPanel, DirectAdmin, or whatever panel your server is configured with. Now, your domain will definitely be placed here. So where is this email being sent from? I said it should be sent from this domain. It's being sent exactly from here. Look, where is its name coming from? Its name is coming from here. You set this to on. I won't go into the details of what this does. Be sure to check these boxes, set them to off, and among these, click on Other SMTP. In the SMTP host section, set it to localhost, set this to none, and set the SMTP port to 25. And turn this option off as well. Turn this option on. Again, here, enter the email you created in your hosting panel or server panel. Enter this email here, and when you created this email, you also set a password. Now you need to enter that password here and click the Save button. After you've done these steps, you can test it. The option to test this email is right here, if I am not mistaken. Now, since we are also currently using the free version of this particular software, we really need to carefully see and observe. It is probably located right here in this specific area. There used to be a test option here. Oh, here it is. Here you can test it and send it. Go to Tools and send this test. See if it actually gets sent or not. If it gets sent, you should receive the email here, and as you can see, the email has been sent. If you have any questions or if there's anything else, be sure to contact us. As you know, you can also reach out to us through our contact channels and submit a ticket this way. If you have any requests or want a new feature, get in touch with us. You can also follow us on Instagram if you'd like. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.